Say hello. What? What's wrong? You can get down. What a dingus. Hello everybody, my name is Shweihninzy, and as you can see, I suffer from acne, but if you only knew what it looked like before. I have red hair. I am half Burmese. I have 2 cats. Yeah, I kind of like giving you a random fact every time I start a video. So if this is your first time watching, there's a little bit about me. My name is Shweihninzy, is Burmese, so there ya go. Today I'm going to be doing a 2-in-1 video. I like doing an eyeshadow video and a foundation video at the same time, but there'll be 2 different videos, so if you don't want to see the eyeshadow, if you don't want to see the foundation, you can just go to the one that you want to watch. Today I'm going to be testing out the Bite Beauty foundation. Bite Beauty is known for their lip products, and this is their first. I don't think they've ever done a face product before, and if I'm wrong, let me know, but I know them for their lip mask, their lip stuff, color, crayons, whatever you want to call them, and now they have a foundation and a powder, and they've got 2 primers, I believe. So this was definitely interesting for Bite Beauty. This foundation is vegan, and it is gluten-free, cruelty-free, everything free. No, I don't want to say that claim. But this is for normal, dry, combination, and oily, so it sounds like it's for everybody under the sun. It has a pretty decent shade range, but the lightest shades, I swatched them in store, and it was kind of an odd combination. Like, it went from light to like orange to like peach. Like it was weird. So I ended up getting the lightest shade in the shade L10. So hopefully this matches me okay. The next 2 lightest shades, just at least from what my Sephora had, just did not do it for me. So that's that. So it's a medium coverage, and it's a buildable, and it's supposed to be a natural finish. So it's supposed to help nurture your complexion. That's what it says. On one side, I always use my Sigma F80 brush, which is in my Sigma brush set, the Shweihninzy Beautiful You brush set. Definitely check that out. I have it always linked in every single video in the description box, so definitely check that out. Support your girl. And on the other side, I'm using a sponge, and this is a sponge from Amazon. You guys, you can get a pack of sponges, I think for like $8 or something like that, and these are supposed to be very similar to the Beauty Blender or like the Real Technique sponge. I feel like it's a combination of the 2. So here is the one I'm going to be using today, wet. It came a little creased from the mail. Ooh. And then this is what it looks like dry, so it definitely plumps up quite a bit, but it feels soft like the Beauty Blender, but stiffer. Not as soft as the Real Techniques brush. It's definitely soft. It's not stiff. When it's dry, it's stiffer, but like wet, it's got some bounce to it. So we'll definitely be trying this out. I'm gonna be wearing the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. This is just a fancy moisturizer, pretty much. It's very, very thick, so we're gonna put this on, give it its best chance. This is my 3rd time wearing it. Ooh, this might be a bit too much. I have not noticed it break me out at all. It's just supposed to be a really good base moisturizer for foundation on top. If you guys don't know, I have combination skin, so really dry on the outside, super oily in the T-zone, obviously acne, sensitive, hyperpigmentation, everything like that. Before I do my foundation, I like doing my eyeshadow, so I'm going to be using the Kesha Rose collection, and I'm going to be featuring this in another video, so I'll be doing that. If you guys want to see that video, definitely check it out. I'll leave it linked as well. I don't know if this one's going to go up first with the foundation one, but this is the eyeshadow that I'm going to be wearing. So 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! we got green eyes. So, like I said, I'm using the Kesha eyeshadow palette. Like, how fun are these colors? So let's go in. I always get a sample of the foundation to test out for you guys, so that way I don't have to try it and then go through the hassle of returning or buying it and then going through the hassle of returning it and all that good stuff. So she gave me a nice, decent little sample here. So let's test it out. Dab it on my face. I don't know how much I need, so let's go in with the Sigma F80 here. This might be too light for me, but like I said, the other ones were like peach undertoned, or like way too pink for me, so it definitely has like a fruity scent to it. I don't know if that's how you could describe this. Ooh, so far not looking like the best coverage, but it is clinging to every bit of dryness on my face right now. Ooh. Oh, she not looking cute. Do you guys see like how it's clinging to the dryness? Oh, let's try the sponge side. Maybe we can get some of that hydration back. Yeah, this shade is definitely like too light for me. Yeah, it smells like soap. Alright, there we have it. I don't know. I feel like the sponge side definitely is a lot better. I'm not getting like that dry, crusty look, so I'm going to continue to put it on with the sponge to get like coverage I'm happy with. I toned down the brightness, if you guys can see, but you can just still see all of my scarring and everything, and it just looks like I have a tinted moisturizer on. Like, I don't see this buildable coverage that they're talking about right now. I put another layer on here, but there is no buildable coverage. Like, this is for somebody who's got no issues. Like, it's not covering anything. Let me see if, like, and this is, she filled up the whole thing, and I'm still going in there. I might have to use a lot more. I mean, I don't want to put like a crazy amount on, and it's emphasizing my pores a lot. I'm going to be testing, I'm so excited, the Jeffree Star Concealer. I got mine in the color C5. I went to the Morphe store in Chicago. You guys, this concealer is old, but I didn't trust myself to pick a shade online, so I'm so excited that I finally got it. Ah! Okay, so maybe Jeffree can help me out with some coverage. But I don't think like it's the sponge taking the foundation, because it looked pretty garbage with the brush. Something is not looking cute. Gosh, the foundation is just moving everywhere. Texture is garbage. Actual garbage. I'm gonna set my under eyes with all of my normal powders and everything. Using the Hard Candy powder. Setting under my eyes. Hopefully I can bring some of that coverage back with the Maybelline SuperStay powder. You guys know, like, my SuperStay powder saves the day always, and this Hard Candy powder gets everywhere. And I don't know if like you guys are gonna agree that this is giving it a fair chance, but like I would wear this combination anyway if I was wearing this foundation like on a regular basis. So I like just being consistent and using the same combination I would be doing anyway, you know? That definitely helped a lot and helped make it look better for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and continue finishing my eyeshadow, and we'll be right back with brows and everything like that. Eyeshadow is complete. Let's go ahead and add some life back to my face. Let's dive in with some different products here. Oh, hello, Arlo. Let's go in with the Besame Cosmetics Golden Sand Bronzer from the little, not the Little Mermaid, but like the SIREN collection, I think Peter Pan collection. Hello. So let's see how this goes on my face, because everything is just slipping and sliding everywhere. Like, my foundation looks horrible. Hey, Arlo, don't do that. When he wants attention, he bites my mirror, which I usually put on the floor if I'm filming. Hey, 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 don't eat that. I have a doctor's appointment to go to, and I never wear makeup when I go to the doctor's appointment, and it's my psychiatrist actually, and he knows I do YouTube, and he's gonna be like, girl, your makeup, and I'm gonna be like, I swear it looks better than this when I have a good foundation day. Let's go in with some blush. Let's add some shimmer into my life with the Ciate Marbled Light blush in the color Halo. For highlight, let's go in with Jeffree Star Peach Goddess highlight. Oh yeah. Let's go in with Wifey from Huda Beauty. Oh my gosh, I just dropped that. Match my foundation. Hopefully setting spray can save it. Alright, let's put this gloss on top. This gloss makes everything underneath like super pink. Oh yeah, do you see it already changing? And this is heavily rose scented, so if you do not like rose scented stuff, do not get this because it is very strong. I like rose, so I'm cool with that. But look how that changed it to like a pink. Let's dive in with some setting spray to lock this in place. There we have it. There's the foundation. The time is currently 12:27. So like I said, I have a doctor's appointment to go to. I got errands to run, so I'm going to be out and about today. Hopefully my makeup does not look like absolute garbage, but yeah, let's see how this wears. Hello, we're in my car, and you guys, I'm feeling so self-conscious of this foundation. Like, for real, not looking cute. I feel crazy pasty, and it just looks powdery, and like, I don't know. Yeah, this foundation is definitely too light, and it's just looking pasty. I've got my Chick-fil-A fries right now. This is my lunch, but I didn't have time to eat before my psychiatry appointment. I didn't have anything to eat, but I got me some Chick-fil-A sauce. What is your favorite sauce at Chick-fil-A? My camera's doing all sorts of crazy things. I'm filming behind my steering wheel there. So what do you guys think? And my eyeshadow is like crazy outside. Feeling self-conscious on my makeup, but I shouldn't, because you know what? We're out here. We're colorful. It's a vibe. It's currently, I think, 1:30. Yeah, 1:38, pardon me. I don't know why I didn't think of putting it on my cup there. I just slobbered all over myself too. Here's a Chick-fil-A mukbang. Hello. You a bat now? Oh, what are you doing? What? What are you doing? The time is currently 6:15. You can see that there. And I think the foundation is actually looking pretty decent. This color is horrendous though. Like, it is way too pale for me. Way too pale. Right, Arlo? But like outside, the shade looked horrendous. Are you eating strawberry? Mm-hmm. Oh. Looks like garbage. Ow. I haven't looked at it in depth. This actually looks pretty good, but again, it's just emphasizing like so much texture, but it doesn't look like oily or anything to me. It still looks really good, there's just not very good coverage. If you have perfectly flawless skin, maybe this will work for you. But again, let's see. I mean, this is 6 hours of wear already and it looks pretty good. This is the wrong shade for me. So it is currently 8:15. Oh, you can't even see that time. So I've had this foundation on for about 8 hours. I was watching Frozen 2 and I cried. I liked Frozen 2 a lot better than the first one. I got it on Redbox, so because I'm just too impatient to wait for it to get on Disney Plus. But at the 6 hour mark, the foundation looked good, but the 8 hour mark, we can clearly see this is not looking cute. But yeah, and like I was saying, I stand by what I said earlier. If you have perfect, flawless, untextured skin and don't need much coverage at all, I think this is a beautiful light wear like foundation that's pretty comfortable. But otherwise, I'm gonna have to say this is a no-go. It was pretty, I mean, it was decently long lasting, but again, like, it just emphasizes my texture and like my scarring and the dryness on my face, and there's just not good coverage. Like, I have better luck with other foundations that are cheaper and have more coverage and just last better. So that's kind of my opinion on this foundation with my type of skin anyway. But yeah, that's that. Oh, Arlo just sat in his bucket. So cute. I have 2 buckets, one for Arlo and one for Luna, and they were literally like $1 or $2, and I put a blanket inside and they love those buckets so much. I have a TikTok, by the way, and Arlo is the star of TikTok, so follow me at Shweihninzy. I think that's what my name is on TikTok, but I'll leave it linked if you guys want to check out my TikTok. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Let me know what other foundations you want me to review as well. Bye!
Dear Diary, I've decided to plead with the authorities to rub my belly. I think it'll do me good in my current condition. I would like to receive 2 rubs exactly. A third one and I will bite the shit out of them as per protocol.